Let's look at a few more examples to understand attention flow. The reason I'm emphasizing on this so much because if you understand self-attention, then you'll be able to understand the entire transformer architecture, because this is the most complex part of the transformer architecture. So let's look at this. I'll be finding out the context vector of the word Python in the technology layer. In the last example, I had found out the context vector of the word Python in the animal layer. This time I'll do the same for the technology layer. And this is the output of the last example, right? From point 0.7, point 0.3, point 0.6, and point 0.4, it got changed to 0.47, 0.12, 0.68, and 0.02. So the technology property got reduced a lot. The health property was more or less similar. The animal property was also more or less similar. The purpose it got reduced because we found out the value with respect to the other words in the sentence. Now this time around, we'll be performing or we'll be finding out the context vector of the word Python in the technology layer, not in the animal layer. And these are the word vectors. These are the weight metrics. This is the weight matrix for query. This is the weight matrix for key. And this is the weight matrix for value. Now see here in the weight matrix of query, everything is getting ignored except for the technology layer. Now this is the technology layer, right? So because this is the technology ness or this is the technology property. Even in technology layer, in the neuron, the value of the animal property is getting amplified in the negative direction. For the temperatureness, there is some impact because technology and temperature has relationship with each other. The health, I have considered it to be 0 because I did not want to make it more complex. And then you see the technologiness or the value of the technology is 1.6. And in the key vector, it is similar. The value of the animalness is reduced and the others are amplified a little bit. And all the other vectors are 0. In the weight matrix of value, some values are getting captured, like the value of temperature is getting captured, the value of the health is getting captured, but the value of animal is not captured at all. So these are the three different weight metrics, and these are the word vectors, which includes the positional encoding. This is Python, this is program, this is, and this is run. And we are trying to find out the context vector of the word Python in the technology layer. Now this value, the word vector, has been converted to this value after the matrix multiplication with the weight matrix of query. And these are the values or the key vectors. This is the query vector, these are the key vectors, and these are the value vectors. The ways we find key vectors, you already know, we multiply all of them with the weight matrix. And these are all matrix multiplication. Same is the value vector also. And I'll be using the drawing board rather than the PPT. And here, these are the values, right? This is the word vector. This is the query vector. This is the key vector, and this is the value vector. So this would be Python, not program. So the first step here would be to find out the dot product of the query and the key. So this is the first step. So let us perform the dot product of Python along with Python, then the dot product of Python and program, then python.is, and finally python.run. And you know how to find out the dot product. We multiply individual elements and then add them up. So the 3 would be 0. So the value would be 0.18 into 0.37 and the value would be 0.07. Similarly, let's try to find out the dot product of query vector of Python and the key vector of program, which would be 0.18 into 0.58. Now it is approximately 0.1. Then python.is 0.001. Let's consider it as 0 only. Then python.run, which would be 0.18 into 0.47. And it comes out to be 0.1. So these are the dot products. Now the next step would be to scale it. And how do you scale it? This is how the scaling is done. The value is divided by the square root of the total number of elements. So similarly, it would be 0.07 divided by square root of 4, which will be 0.07 divided by 2, and the value would be 0.035. This would be 0.05, this would be 0, and this would be again 0.05. So after the scaling is done, the next step that we have to do is to find out the softmax. And the softmax would be the summation of Euler number, so e to the power 0.035 plus e to the power 0.05 and so on. And on the top, it would be individual elements. And the value of the denominator would be 4.14. So this is the denominator, and the numerator would be e to the power these values. So we know that the denominator is 4.14. So the attention score of Python itself is 0.25. Program is also 0.25. Looks like all of them have a similar score. So this is what the attention score is. All of them have similar attention. The Python, the program, the run, all of them have almost similar values. Why this is the case? Because all of them belong to technology. We can consider the article to be something else, but we have found out the value of article also. Could have been minus also, but I have put 0 here. Any which ways, the attention score of Python is 0.25, a program is 0.25, run is also 0.25. Now if you add all of them, it would be 0.99. So it would be essentially 0.25, then it would be 1. So this is the attention score. Now the next step is to find out the context vector. And to do that, we will be scalar multiply the attention score, which is this one, with the value vector. And these are the value vectors of the word Python, program, is, and run. So let's do that. I'm running out of space here. All right, this is the attention score. And let's find out the context vector. And for that, we'll have to do a scalar multiplication of the attention score with the value vectors. And this is the output, right? So similarly, we'll have to find out the scalar multiplication of each one of them. And these are the values. Now to find out the context vector of the word Python in the technology layer, we'll have to add all of them. So this is the context vector of the word Python in the technology layer. But in the animal layer, this is the one. So let's try to do a comparison. We have found out the context vector of the word Python using self-attention only in animal layer and in the technology layer. This is the word vector and it has 4 dimensions. The first one talks about the animal property. The second one talks about the temperature property, then health property and tech property. In the context vector of the animal layer was this. It was 0.47, 0.12, 0.68 and 0.02. So you see the animal property was a little less, not too much, 50% less. The temperature property was also almost 60% less. The health property got increased a little bit, but the tech property reduced drastically, multiple times. But the context vector of the same word Python in the technology layer was different. It was 0.05, 0.260 and 0.64. So you see the animal property got reduced again drastically, but the tech property or the value of the tech dimension got increased. So what does it tell you? It tells you that the animal layer suppressed the technology property, but the technology layer amplified the technology property. Now, obviously, I'm talking about only 2 layers here. There would be a lot of other layers. Eventually, when it goes through feed forward, when it goes through add and norm, etc., the animal layer would be completely gone because there are other weight matrices also. Anyway, the purpose here was to show you how to find out the context vector. We have seen 2 examples. Let's go to the third one.